ছোট্ট একটা জীবন দিয়ে পৃথিবীতে কেন ভালোবাসে অনন্তকালে ভালোবাসা পুরাবে না আমারে জীবনে. Guys, so I feel so happy right now, as I mentioned. I didn't hear second time here, but today again I came to explore. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm here place called Dhananjoy Tripura Smriti Eco Park. This is actually located in South district near Kalasara. So if you are someone who wants to visit and basically explore this place, you can do so. You can come by train or by bus. In case if you want to come by bus, you can directly get down here. As I mentioned, somewhere you can get down here, and then this is the entry actually. This is where you have to take a ticket counter. This is the ticket counter actually. Now let me go inside. So as I mentioned, this is a place. Entry is there. This is the entry gate, and here is full of peace, guys. So you can come here then explore it. I think here also some more. This is actually second time that I'm going to be visiting. Last time also I came here, but then I could not explore that time. But this time I hope I should be able to explore more and then show you guys as well. Full of peace, exciting, and who is she? Toy is busy here. She is dancing now. She is a very good singer as well as good dancer as well. She is busy in dancing, basically making reels kind of sort of things. But anyways, so I didn't love this fact that it's so beautiful, right? Full of natural, everything what you get to see is the flower, the gardening, everything. Wow, the kind of I think I don't know what this called, like this tree's name is actually. This is not a coconut tree or something like that. The lamb as well. So, wow, this is really awesome, guys. So let me. This area you can go anyways. But yeah, here also if you want to come here and then take a picture with your friends or family, you can do so. So yeah. So come here, explore with me. ছোট্ট একটা জীবন দিয়ে পৃথিবীতে কেন ভালোবাসে অনন্তকালে ভালোবাসা পুরাবে না আমারে জীবনে. Guys, so I feel so happy right now, as I mentioned. I didn't hear, as I mentioned, second time here, but today again I came to explore and feel the peace of. And also, as I mentioned, everything you get to see is pure natural, right? Whatever you see, even from here, right, to this side and this side, everywhere, all you get to see is full of peace. So in case if you want to come, as I mentioned, especially on weekends would be the right time, I would say, because that time many people will be coming. In case, but don't come on Thursday because Thursday is actually closed. So don't come on Thursday. Apart from Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Apart from Thursday, you can come any other day you wish to. मेरे लगते गाना सॉन्ग रे बाखा दे हाय बाखा दे नों बाखा नहीं बा she's a kid actually. She can jump from here. Let's see. बाखा दे आस्ते करे ना मैं ओ रे बाप ये हाय ये रोंदे आं कैसे ना गाना let me do it. If I don't know. This one is how. Now we are going from here. We came and now we are going to be going inside the site. Let me also show you guys as well. It looks tired. And this side is full of jungle, but there is a boundary has put up so that people cannot enter from outside of this boundary. Okay. What else? This is, huh? Oh, okay. This is bolong. Bolong means jungle. This is called jungle. What I call jungle? Jungle bolong. Bolong bolong means jungle jungle. Okay, toy. Hinge tabok sin toy. Buat tabok gan kaisar seksana channel sini biskango. Hinge toy ni jes. Kau borok Hindi English je kuno panata.
Kau borok sini manu kita.
Akan.
English bermania, Hindi bermania.
Akan kau borok no. Kau borok me gao. Anything. Oh dupung nang gitu.
Oh no! Dupung. Di Malaysia.
Hai, teh gang di ba. Banglagan ke bangga kerja ni man sana lah.
Ya.
Teh tu mah. Ami oke. Kau banglagan kan kita bang Malay dong. Ami. What? জীবনে চড়ক আরে বুঝছ মানে কিছু মনে খা দিন তো যে সাগর আরে বাহ
তাই তো দেখি প্রিয়তমা মনে রেখো
মার পুরস্কার নাঙো তাই না ইনকে বিনি বাগে কাইছে পুরস্কার mana sinai buma hai puruskar janai so yang ke no ma khana am hai ta background ke ba
bolong siang
sa yang bolong sia ba no yang bolong ba no tong thok ta isa nabarok sai na nabarok srik phai na ke kau boro kaisar sa sin ke Banglagan pun man দুইটা মনে আশা ওটা সেটা একটি দাও আমাকে oh no দুইটি মনের আশা কথা আমাকে দাও একটা দিয়া মালিয়াই দং কাইসা কে নেক্সট গান কেবা চিরদিনে বাংলা গান তা কেবা হিংকে जों बाक्सार सासेन तय भाई सबो बिसिमान ना गान ता खरां बारस गुली मारो
Kongrai.
No, खरां को saya sini so kongrai man जा के बा किसा you can ignore the voice because the cool cow. Okay, let's get started the next song. Baksa. চিরদিনে তুমি জিয়াছা আমি আর কি যোগে আমি তোমারে চিরদিনে তুমি জিয়ামা কি যোগে আমি তোমারে আমি জিয়াছে সে যে তোমার তুমি আছো সীমা যোগী Let's sing the next song. All right, so it's time for us to leave. Right now, it is 4:40 p.m. IST, right? So we need to go because it is going to take about half an hour for us to reach to our destinations. As you can see, this is where we came actually, and we have actually almost completed everywhere. Till there, we went and then we came from there to till here again we done. And these are the what you call that uh, exit gate where we are going to exit right now. So yeah guys, so in case if you also wish to come and visit this place, I would definitely encourage every one of you to please come. This is located in South Tripura near Kalasara. You can google it, Dhananjoy Eco Park, which is located in Kalasara. So you can, there are so many things to explore, but then we are again as last time, we are short of time, so we cannot make or we cannot enjoy much. We are always late everywhere. Wherever we go, we always get late. This is one of the things which I don't know why we get late so much time, many times, right?